Welcome to my channel. If you're newly watching and not subscribed, please subscribe. Like and share in this video. I will help you to set up Android app policy for a basic protection for data saving externally, screenshots, web leakage. We don't want to break user experience. That's why I am going with a moderately strict policy. Please follow the steps. Go to Intune and select apps, then select Android and start creating policy for Android. Give a name for the policy and go to next tab. On apps, select all Microsoft apps. Let's start with data protection. We block backup of organizational data to Android backup services. This prevents company data from being stored in personal Google accounts. For sending data to other apps, we restrict it to policy-managed apps only, ensuring that corporate data stays within secure, managed applications. When it comes to saving copies of organizational data, we either block it completely or allow it only to trusted services like OneDrive or SharePoint. This avoids data leakage to personal storage locations. Receiving data from other apps is also limited to policy-managed apps, which protects against importing risky or unmanaged files. For opening data into organizational documents, we allow it only from selected trusted services, maintaining both usability and security. Cut, copy, and paste actions are restricted to policy-managed apps, which prevents users from copying sensitive data into personal apps. However, for telecommunication, we allow any dialer app, since phone numbers are considered low-risk data and users expect click-to-call functionality. For messaging, depending on the organization's security level, we can allow any messaging app or restrict it to managed apps. Screen capture and Google Assistant are blocked to prevent data leakage through screenshots or voice access. We enforce encryption for all organizational data, ensuring that company information remains protected on the device. Web content transfer is restricted to a managed browser like Microsoft Edge, preventing users from opening corporate links in unsecured browsers. Now let's move to access requirements. We require a PIN to access apps with a minimum length of 6 digits and simple PINs blocked. Biometrics like fingerprint or face unlock are allowed for convenience, but users must re-enter their PIN after a timeout for added security. The inactivity timeout is set between 5 to 10 minutes, and we recheck access requirements after about 30 minutes. This provides a good balance between security and user experience. PIN reset policies are optional, but we maintain a history of previous PINs to prevent reuse. We also avoid requiring an app PIN if the device already has a strong lock, reducing unnecessary friction for users. Finally, conditional launch settings. We limit maximum PIN attempts to 5, after which the PIN is reset. For offline access, we allow a grace period of around 12 hours before blocking access, ensuring users must periodically connect to validate policies. If the app remains offline or non-compliant for an extended period, such as 30 days, we initiate a data wipe to protect organizational information. We also block access on rooted or jailbroken devices and enforce minimum OS version requirements. So overall, this configuration ensures strong security while maintaining a smooth user experience. It protects corporate data from leakage, enforces access controls, and ensures compliance without disrupting daily work. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe for more videos, like and share.